Well, I'm in the middle of the woods here in Eastern Canada for a camping vacation. We're going to go straight to Florence, Italy for this really quick tutorial on Lightroom Mobile CC. Okay, let's head to Florence for this next lesson. And I must say that when I saw this man on the street, I said, this is the most unique looking musician and gentleman. And I was really hoping that I could capture this man in a way that really represented him. Of course, I pay all musicians. That's a standard that I have when I'm photographing musicians on the street. But what I want to show you in this really quick tutorial in Lightroom CC mobile app is a very simple way for you to check your edits in relation to your original photo. And it's so simple. Just put your finger anywhere on the screen and then let go. It's very, very simple. But a lot of people don't know that because it's not really mentioned all that well within Lightroom. It's sort of like using keyboard shortcuts on your computer. Okay, so once again, just tap anywhere. You can tap in the picture or out, and you'll be able to see exactly what you've done and if you need to make further edits. Another thing that's really useful actually is if you go down to the bottom, there's sort of like a return arrow. And if you ever want to just go back to the complete original RAW or JPEG, if you shoot JPEG, just go to all. And that is the original. So for example, let me just back up here. This is the final shot, which I really like. It's well balanced. And I'll just go back to all under reset. And this is the shot that I took. And you know, it's okay, but there's just too much information that doesn't really contribute to the photo, and it's not really straight. So that is why I made the edits that I did to this. And of course, I absolutely love black and white. So I did a black and white treatment. Okay, so I hope those tips helped and it really helps you with your editing. Enjoy Lightroom Mobile CC.